The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rush County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located very near Rush Center, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. You can expect ping-pong ball-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Rush County.